Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best climbing shoes for men that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mad Rock Drifter Climbing Men's Shoe. This Mad Rock climbing shoe is designed with the traditional upper leather that has been created to provide you a great life, and that is the reason why this shoe is able to provide you a great performance in order for you to maintain a consistent make. It contains a 3D-shaped heel that is going to make sure that you have maximized friction, which will decrease the impact force, which is a problem to many individuals. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 510 Anasazi Mens Moccasym climbing shoe. This climbing shoe is proved classic with more than 20 years on the market. The climbing shoe is a sticky rubber that supports you when you are climbing. It is honestly hard and created for edging and having hard friction, thus you will not slip after it matters most. It also provides your feet much of what is needed for additional traction on technical paths. It will stretch as you utilize it and also get comfy. Its awesome slingshot provides high heel tension for any kind of climbing that you want to go. At number 3, we have the Scarpa Men's Instinct VS climbing shoe. This is a shoe that is continuously termed to be softer all day. It has a slipper design in order for it to have a single strap and to be able to resist any kind of deformation that occurs when you are standing on the edges or even on micro flakes. All the individuals who have purchased this Scarpa shoe have liked it because it has managed to combine modernity and tradition. At number 2, we have the Sportiva Mythos men's climbing shoe. The thin toe and low-cut profile of these shoes is outlined to work perfectly on thin cracks, nevertheless the midsoles are rigid enough to have some bite when edging. Its wraparound system for lacing enables you to customize the fitting along the topmost of your foot and regulate the cupping on your heel. It has soft unlined leather upper that usually adapts the shape of your foot at whatever it is, and it is perfect for all-time multi-pitch ways where the feet have a habit of to swell. It has a perforated Vibram rubber rand that permits comfort and stretch. It also has a slip-lasted construction. And finally, at number 1, we have the Scarpa Origin hiking climbing shoe. If you require having a great climbing career, then this shoe should be the best starting point for you towards achievement. The shoe has the decent genetic building blocks which are at all times ready to make your climbing career's successes. It'll provide you a luxurious upper that provide you a feeling of a great padded luxury, and that's why I encourage you to begin your career of climbing with this kind of shoe. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.